Probably. Did you build that? Are you gonna run it? That thing is too cool. New feature.
What's the range on that thing? Kilometer?
I'd probably go from here all the way down to the car. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
How fast? How fast is it? 10 miles?
About 10 miles.
Got a half mile time on it yet? Huh? You got a half mile time on it yet?
Let's find out. That looks good too.
So you just sit on your porch and have at it?
You got it's easier to drive if you got a beer in this hand.
Oh yeah.
How many horsepower is that? 25?
Yeah, it's 25.
Do you cut your grass with this thing?
I play around doing it, yeah. It's really for my business.
Yeah, like an advertisement?
Well, no, you know, when we get along roadsides, see the guy just sits in the cab of his truck and mows that, and there's no guy out there next to the road in danger.
Wow. Really smart. Oh, I see what you're saying.
And then we have some places that are really steep, so when we're doing it by hand, this thing just go right up there.
Wow.
I don't know if I have one.
What's that?
I have one with tracks on it.
For like snow and stuff?
For like just
like Caterpillar. Like Caterpillar.
Yeah. For places that are just like really.
So did you just build it for yourself or do you build them and like sell them to people?
I just build them for myself.
Cool, man.